Stop using cloud code recruiter. It decreasing your productivity and ROI, then increasing that. You're feeling that it's just improving your daily lifestyle, improving your business, but truthfully, it decreasing your business productivity. And I'll show you that everything in detail and stuff. My name is Minna. I'm the one of the core foundation of the AI thing. I just work on that. I work on the cloud, all the thing. But I will show you that what's the hidden truth behind this, all the cloud code, and what are the right thing, what are the wrong thing. I not go to a trend that saying this cloud could do everything, but see give you the right idea that how it can do the productivity and what are the myths. The first thing is that are you tired with just getting that make this time correct with cloud code and building your own dashboard, own CRM and stuff? Yeah, definitely all of we are. And the because that the cloud code is not meant for a normal human being because it's a developing site. Because people are just trying to make their own website and own CRM, but they not know the nuances of the all structure, and that we not. We are our profession. As you are a recruiter, your job is to recruit the right people in the right place so they can have a growth. It's your job is not to just build a CRM and stuff. It's not your fault, and you have to understand it. And I will tell you that how to use AI in this particular moment that give you the full leverage for everything and the right way to just increase your business productivity, not the fake way that you have autonomous agent. Now, couple of things I will tell you that whatever the internet show you, the demo are polish outcome and polish input. They have polish input, they have polish outcome because wherever they use there's a polish dashboard and stuff, and whenever they have an input, it's have all the guarded for that, and we can't win. And I'm talking about especially for AI agent that work autonomously, not the workflows. And what happened that when you use in business, it got error because you not add the guardrails, you not have every error cases right, that not everything. And the main problem is that everybody we have to understand is that we need 99% uptime because our business depend on reputation, and we can't ruin that with a simple system that work gods know how the way, and we don't know that, and we need to care of that. And that's we talking about right now because I am the person that I need to tell you the truth and very clearly for every recruiter right now. The first thing we understand that right now we're doing 99% uptown. That makes sure that we save our reputation and save our own business for all the stuff. Now, before building any agent, I will tell you that people are saying that are you building a like sales agent, marketing agent. I say that in a LinkedIn, there's a lot of people that say, okay, here is my 5-step sales process. AI agent that work all my business. Here is my agent, all the stuff. If that happen, that's why you giving me. Just run, build a sales agent for every businesses, and he can be a billionaire. It's not how it work. The 5 step sales process. And I'm saying this, and I'm just laughing inside of that. And they have a sales process autonomously, because the one thing is that right now people are misleading the AI. AI is acceleration. It's just not a replacement, it's just acceleration of the human being, and it just reduce the sequences tasks that we doing for forever, like we have form CRM that we update cross update. It's just going to next level, have a human intelligence on that a little bit, that it can rewrite and serve a text and everything. But what I say is that having an autonomous sales agent in recruit doesn't make any good for you, because we know that relationships matter a lot, a meaningful conversation matter a lot. Understanding client, understanding the candidate, what's the feeling, what's why they want to recruit, why they want to hire. It's the most crucial job, and we know that AI can't figure out. AI has good is the like if you put AI, it's good to collecting the fat, but it doesn't know how to read behind the words, how to read the emotion, and that we know because it's our job to understand what the feeling, why they even need, and stuff. And what I'm thinking is that as a recruiter, I have very different perspective for AI. Whatever. I have a two set of job that every recruiter influencer take. Even Benjamin Gramming, all the LinkedIn, all the things say that build relationship. How we build? We're having conversation, having calls. And I'm saying that anything that not a call, just reduce it. Just make autonomous. And how we can do, and you can see this is a very clean that manual research, data entry, enrichment, all the stuff. Even the CV analyzation, all the stuff that is sequential, that's happening a predefined way. If you just put a piece of paper and we write the whole thing, and if you hand over a newbie, if we handle the job properly, you can automate very cleanly. That's not the stuff. So that we are doing. Just go in a calendar, see your new block for 1 week. Where your time going? Are you doing more research? Do you doing enrichment? Do you hopping on the tools? What's you doing? And write it down. See the time block, and at the end of the week, just realize okay, how much time you do the conversation, how many time you do all the stuff that not a conversation, and you will realize okay, what's the missing piece. It's not an AI agent that solve everything. It's the AI that help you to just remove that piece and have a more time to do that and very properly and getting ROI. Now, this I give a few of example is the like one is the raw candidate, clay enrichment, and routings, email verification. These are the like foundational. We do every day. We need that, and we need to start. People saying that we have a tool. It's not about tools. Tools are greater. It's about working through the tools. It has tool work to each other, and we don't have to just manually manage that. It's to just sequence it. If any job post come, it enrich properly, it qualify properly, it go to CRM, it give the summary. So what do we do? You just pick up the phone and do, and it's a sequencer. It's not a AI automation that he do like sometimes he do this way. It's a workflow. It's a systemized step-by-step guide with strict form workflow and having human in a loop that if anything have error, it immediately flag up and you can just see it because it need improvement over a time. That's all. Now, what is exactly, if I went talking and thinking about it, what is exactly just ruin everything is the fragile silent failure, because the autonomous agent get error and you even not know there is a error. Even the human make mistake after so many year of experience. So AI, we need a lot of context to AI to work properly, and that. So what we do, it's not the workflows are 100% now. It's a 99%, because if the error happen, we have a guardrail of the error. You just flag the error. Okay, this is the error, and you can solve it. So knowing the error and stopping the timing thing is the best thing, because there's nobody tell that it doesn't produce error. Even human produce the error. AI definitely produce the error sometimes. Until and you have write every cases properly, and that's take a lot of time. And know that we need to go improve over a time on that. That's thing. And this is the main thing I say that okay, stop using autonomous agent, because this thing will actually kill the business in silently very. Now I talk about the nobility and the non-negotiable. I also speak a little bit about non-negotiable is that was I show the time block here very cleanly I saw is that see your calendar and which are the blocking your time that just taking time from you having conversation building relationship. You need to automate that. That's a non-negotiable thing. That's a non-negotiable because you need the time to just have the thing that you need to do. And what's a nobility is a thing that's good to have it, like a proper dashboard that's showing everything. It's good to have it, but it's necessary? No. So I will say, just go, build the foundation. Just have a thing. See your calendar, build the foundation, work through it. And that's the thing you need. And don't say that, accept that, okay, you can build together. And I will not say that, okay, it's not my own motive that, okay, you need to hire. It's the motive that this is a tech. Just like the website building. Do you build your website yourself? No, you hire somebody because you know the thing. Because there is a nuances. People are just over exaggerating that everybody uses it, but there is a nuances for everything. You need somebody help to build that. You can't stay around and juggle with the tools and doing and just stopping doing that's matter. Have somebody clean, work on that, and get the ROI. It doesn't matter that you need to learn AI. You not need to turn. You need to learn use AI. It's not to build AI. That's a very different thing. People are trying to building AI, not using AI. After somebody build the AI, you need to use it properly. That's the thing you need to understand. The building AI and the using AI, it's very different. And I will very very much say you that think about it that what you need to do and think. And this is the time. This is the time that you can lift 100 times because if you just have like just think about that, if you just remove like the things that are blocking of you having conversation, you can just double x and triple x your conversation. You can just triple x your business, and you just see that you just use AI to accelerate the things like follow up and thing, and with the proper guardrail and thing, we can 5x and 10x a business very cleanly. That's the thing about you have, and it's the time in the future, in 3 4 years, everybody do that. But it's the time that who will take the first initiative? Is you or your competitor? That's the thing you need to think about. Now, I will say that one thing is that for today and the 6 months later, do you building anything? You build yourself, you build somebody hard, you tell me to build it. It doesn't matter. Do you having more meaningful conversation and being trusted advisor who check in every day, not every day, just regularly to the client and saying that what's happening, or a vendor that is just come for a job order? Just think of that. I did a lot of digging about that. What's the recruiter? What's the good recruiter are? And I see that the recruiter are who just be a trusted advisor who thinks of it that who understand and build a relationship for over time. Because it's not a transactional job. You just come in. It's just a building a relationship. That's why you get exclusive job order, not a contingency. And that's the thing. And think about this frame. You get 99% uptime. You build the foundation that remove all the thing that in the calendar that blocking your conversation. I have more conversation and meaningful conversation and you working properly. And your day not look like this, having spreadsheet look like this have calling the client and thing. And this is the thing. This is the ideal thing. And this is being that's all from me. And if you like anything, if you want to build the same, there's a link in the description. You can go that, and I can help you with that and very cleanly on this building a thing. But I'm being have a great day.